So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire countertop ice maker power button blinking, power lock and reset. So perform a hard power reset. Disconnect the ice maker from the electrical outlet, then leave it unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes to clear minor glitches in the control board. Plug the ice maker back in, then hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a reset. Second fix is check water level. Fill the water reservoir to the max water level mark at the back of the tank. Avoid overfilling the reservoir. If using a nugget ice maker, check the water filter for replacement. Replace the water filter approximately every 6 months to ensure proper water flow. Third fix is clear ice jam. Turn off and unplug the machine, then remove the ice basket and inspect the internal ice mold. Use a warm, cold or a spatula to careful break up and remove any jammed ice. Fourth fix is clean the sensor. Empty the water reservoir and unplug the unit, then gently wipe the sensor inside the machine with a soft clean cloth. Run a clean cycle by pressing and holding the clean time button for 5 to 10 seconds to flush out the lines. Thanks for watching.